All right, we found a down tree that fell over, so we're gonna cut a section of it here for our tarp shelter today. Okay, so of course it started raining as soon as we got here, so we couldn't film the actual setup, but we did get the tarp set up. Just tied off to some fallen trees. Got a little stick here to prop it up to give us a little more height. We did from there, and then we did the same thing on this side down to that log. We got a trussix on the sides there to keep it spread out. And made a stake on the back there and tied off the middle to give us a little bit more headroom, and then we're just tied off to another log over there. The only concern is a little bit of pooling we might see here, so we may try to raise this up a little bit and get a little slant on it. So I cut a little groove here. There you go. And now our pooling issue is taken care of. Yep, it's super raining. We're here, gonna go try and find some fatwood because getting a fire started today is gonna be a challenge. Going back down the trail. The fatwood mother lode lies below us on the valley floor. No, not really. All right, here we go. The mother lode, you can see it up ahead. Super tall spires like that, totally indicative of fatwood. And I bet you these things that have fallen off might even have some. Well, that looks like a bunch of sap. Oh yeah, baby. Whoa. Oh, I smell it. Oh, you can see it right in there. This will hopefully get whatever crappy wood we find started. We didn't even have to touch the mother lode. Yeah, so here's one of those branches, and you can see the color difference. This is kind of dry. It's not totally punky either. Still got some fiber to it, so we may be able to strip these down and get them going. All right, so we gathered up some maple that might be good. We got our big giant piece of fatwood. Oh, what's that? Oh, what are those? We better open those up. Stat. And then we got some fir, which Scarlet's gonna take the small branches off for us. Whoop, spin it. Cheers. Shelter, beer, and then fire. Okay, so we cut down a piece, split it up a little bit, and we're gonna just make some shavings and get this shit started. So we found some maple, and I'm gonna split that and use it as the base of our fire. So we have some kind of base here. Yeah, not too bad. God dang it. These little pieces. Not as stable as we'd like. Hey. Oh, I had it and I put it out. Oh. Look at this cuteness. What you doing over there? You could lay over here under the tarp. You could lay under the tarp over here. All right, we have successfully made fire. And Jason's hat's drying off. Can you see the steam? Nice. Are we doing taters too? Yeah, we're definitely doing the taters. All right, we got some vacuum sealed pork chops in marinade. Now put the marinade recipe up in the comments. Trays of taters, roasted garlic,
or buttery home style.
Let's do roasted garlic. We got the pork chops slow cooking, looking good though. We're gonna take those off soon and get the taters going. Yeah, it's a little dry.
In my experience with pork my entire life, I'd rather that.
Well, that's why we have these taters. I thought it's pretty good flavor.
Ah. Heck yeah. Oh! I meant you.
Ready? Go. Be quick. Oh. 6, 5, 4.